My name is Lu Zheng. I currently head a value-based partnership and digital health in a pharmaceutical company called Takeda. My career starts with actually working in management consulting, but really advising for commercial and launch strategy for pharmaceutical and biotech, and quickly switched to all kind of pharmaceutical side of the business. And my role has been cover commercial, medical affairs, and patient solution, and then latest on digital. Value-based partnership is a core element in the term if you use value-based healthcare. The whole idea of value-based healthcare is actually how can you drive more value-based from the healthcare system rather than fee-for-services. So you're kind of looking at all the care pathway or cases just to say what is best for the patients by looking at how do you optimize the healthcare resources and locations. Key takeaway is rare disease hard. You need to work collectively together. None of the entity can do it alone to really make the real changes. How can we find a good way to collectively build a partnership to solve challenge questions? That's one thing. And for innovation in rare disease, you need to think about scalability from the very beginning. The point solution or silo solution is nice, but I think it doesn't make the system a change. And the third point, I think it's for rare disease, how can you build an ecosystem that actually benefit all the stakeholders, incumbents, but also new stakeholders, so the rare disease become more attractive as a researcher place, as a patient data, as across the value chain. How can you actually build that together? I think digital health transformation is just such a buzzword these days. How can you cut through the noise and really focus on what are the fundamental changes? As I said in the talk, it's also what is the real value you're bringing for the patient and health system. Start with the fundamental basics. Don't get too caught up with all the fancy technology. The technology means to an end, but the ends need to be anchored around the value of the patient and the system. I think the reason I stay in the field because I truly believe it adds a lot of value, and it's the field that both tech companies and life science companies, startup, everyone need to learn and find a way to merge the silos. And I do think in the next 5 years, this field would rapidly grow, not just from the technical advance, but also from the early mistakes or early successes. People can learn how to work together and where are the best cases that you can leverage digital health to really improve the care.